What is going on, guys? Today I just want to say that this scene is finally up for purchase in the Unreal Marketplace. This scene was a project I started about a year ago, and I kept coming back to it until I finally got it finished. And yeah, I basically have a big part of it's the foliage kit, and it has all the culling or whatever to make it sort of disappear as you get far away. Even like the little flowers, they disappear quite early. And yeah, I basically built this entire scene, and now I've put it into a separate document where you have it all separately. So I've got it sort of advertising the foliage kit over here and some of the terrain, I guess, because you've got a few bits of the terrain. You've got some bits you can paint on, and you've got like the automatic slope where it changes to rock as it gets to a certain degree. And then over here you got all this assets separately, and even the foliage assets over here. They are scaled, some of them bigger, some of them smaller, just so you can see them. Obviously these mushrooms are not this huge. They're scaled up so you can actually see them when you're in the project. And I've even got some of my particles effects here. I've got my leaves, some of my flies, and my fireflies, or whatever you'd like to call them. Go over to the Unreal Marketplace, you'll be greeted to this, where it's called Farm Asset Kit, and basically you have the pictures I just showed, basically showing the scene, and then showing all the assets, and then showing what it looks like all combined together. I really love doing this kind of stuff, and I'd love to do it more. So if you guys do want to support the channel, this would be a great way to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content I've made so far, and I am working on some other stuff. If you want to catch any of it out, I do stream it ever so often. It's not too frequent, but I do jump on here and there, and I stream some of the content I've been making. I hope you guys enjoyed the content so far. I hope to catch you guys next time.